To make $200 using Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make from $200 to $2,000 per month using Google Maps. So basically the idea or the method is we're going to search for small local businesses in the United States. Then we're going to see their profiles in Google Maps and we will see if we can pitch them or if we can find problems in their profiles that we can solve. So for example, let's choose a state, and before we do that, I'm going to say that you will not need any skill in order to make money with this method, because we're just going to look for the businesses that we're going to work with, and we're going to convince them to pay us an amount of money in order to make or to do the services for them. Then we're going to go to fiverr.com or any other freelancing platform that you'd like to work on. Then we're going to outsource the job to the freelancers that know how to do it. For example, if the business owner is looking to make the Google Maps business optimization ranking, you can just hire this freelancer in here. For example, you will ask the business owner to pay you $100 for the service, then you will pay the freelancer $25 and you'll have $75 left in your pocket. So here I'm going to show you how you can find the best business owners that you can work with and how you can pitch them your ideas. So here, for example, let's work on the state of Dallas, and here let's just go to the search and let's type some different local business. For example, auto repair, like this, auto repair, and here we will see all of the auto repair garages that are available in this place, and we will see what are the problems that we can solve for them. So here, for example, we have Gallon's Mobile Auto, and also make sure to always choose the businesses with less than 100 reviews. So here this one has 47 reviews and he's a mechanic. This is his website. Let's see if the website needs any renovations. It looks a little bit out of date, but not bad at all. It won't need much of renovations. So let's just go back to see if they have some bad reviews. And here let's scroll down. We have some 1-star reviews. Here let's click on more reviews to see the bad reviews that they have. So here, scroll down. And keep scrolling down until we find the 1-star review that we have, and that's what we're going to use in order to convince them to purchase our service, which is removing the bad reviews from their Google Maps profile. So here, this is the 1-star review. Dude was so unprofessional. OTP had a whole attitude for nothing. Sorry, we fell short of expectation. We try to get just basic vehicle info and vehicle location to find if in work area, but seems we were hung up on. We apologize for any negative interaction you've had and will work hard for better experiences in the future. So this is the first bad review they have. And another one, the work he did was fine. The problem I had with him is he charged me for something that he messed up. Instead of owning up to his own mistakes, he put it off on me, and nowhere else in business is that acceptable. I cannot go to my job and tell him, oh my bad, I messed up, that I got to overcharge you for some other stuff. This is and that's another bad review. And we can use these two bad reviews in order to convince them that they need the service we offer, which is removing these bad reviews, because they influence their reputation in the market, and also it prevents them from getting new clients. So I think, guys, you get the idea. So here you just need to go for the phone number. You can call them. Let's go to the overview. So here you can call them, or you can just go back to their website, and here let's see if we can find their email to send them an email, which will be better than cold calling. So this is their email. You can make a pitch where you explain how your service is going to help solve their problem, then send it to them asking or suggesting for them to book a meeting with you to discuss your service. So don't be eager and don't try to close them from the get-go. Make sure to just book a meeting with them via Skype or Google Meet or any other meeting platform you'd like to use. Then try to show them the problem and how big it is, even though it's not big, but try to convince them that it's big, and try to show them that they need the service that you offer. And you can do the same with the other businesses. So for example, this one, you will do the same again. Just look for the bad reviews that they have. Here this one doesn't even have a website, so you can also suggest to create a website for them. And here they have a lot of 1-star reviews. So by scrolling down, click on more reviews. Here you will be able to see the 1-star reviews that they have, which is this one: be cautious, we had agreed on a deal for my car and he completely backed out at the last minute after I put in lots of time and energy trying to help him out. Bad business practices. I really apologize, but I just don't want to buy the car your vehicle. I didn't even understand the response of the owner, but it seems like this bad review is making such a mess in his profile. So I think with the idea, guys, that's just how you're going to get the clients. Another bad review, so you just need to point out to your friend into those bad reviews and how you can help remove them, and how removing them will help the business get more clients. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.